Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. This is Marky Park, and today is Friday, August the 29th, and tomorrow is moving day. Yes, we have packed the moving truck for our move back to Tucson, Arizona, and behind me is my Mustang. And I just took it to the car wash because it hadn't been washed in a while, so looks much better than it did before. See our sticker here for Water Street. It's actually from last year, but yeah, I washed up the car really good. Actually, let me pop the trunk here. So most of our electronics, like our Blu-ray players, our speakers, wires and all that stuff, most of that is in the back here. I do have a little bit more space left to put some small boxes maybe. We'll go take a look. So my wife's car is over here. So I'm going to be driving the moving truck, and our son Daniel's fiance Brianna is going to drive the Fusion there, and my wife is going to drive she's going to be driving my Mustang so that I can drive the truck. We rented a budget truck and a tow for my Mustang, but nobody in the Orlando area, as far as the budget trucks go, had a tow hitch or a tow. So yeah, so the truck is almost completely full. I closed it up earlier. This is a 16-foot truck. It's the same size that we used when we moved out here to Florida 2 years ago. So I've got a basket of some blankets here because it couldn't really fit in the back of the truck. The dog is Nuka. He's actually going to ride in the front here with me. So we'll put a pillow probably on top of that. We'll see. Okay, so it is currently 1:54 p.m. and I have a 2 o'clock appointment over at Sweeney Todd barbershop, which is just right around the corner here. It'll be my last visit to Sweeney Todd's barbershop probably. So, and honestly, this might be my last walk through or to downtown Celebration. Well, at least until we come back for vacation or whatever. But tomorrow morning we'll be on our way back. A 3-day journey to Tucson, Arizona. Really enjoyed living here in Celebration. Unfortunately, cost of living just too high for us. Maybe we win that Powerball someday. We can find a home in Celebration and retire here, but we miss our families and friends, so that's the main reason for going back to Tucson. But I always enjoy the time that we spent here. So we had some helpers help us load all of our furniture today into the moving truck. They were here for like 2 hours from like 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and did a fantastic job getting everything into the truck. Just amazing. So I need to make sure I do a really nice review for them later here online. It's a very warm day, but no rain, which is nice since we were moving everything into that truck. The plan tomorrow morning is to be out on our way by 8 a.m. earlier if we can, but we want to try to head out because we're looking at probably over 10 hours on the road tomorrow. And our first stop is going to be near New Orleans, Pearl River, Louisiana. So here we are. Let's go get a haircut at Sweeney Todd barbershop. Okay, so I just got my hair cut over at Sweeney Todd. Not as much hair on top anymore, but yeah, I was getting a little shaggy there. So it's 2:22 in the afternoon, and just do some last minute packing, I think, and then make sure we turn in early tonight and get plenty of rest for a long drive tomorrow. So it is almost 7:10 p.m. here Friday evening, and as you can see, I've got the door to the moving truck open here, and we're almost done loading it. It is packed to the gills. So we're gonna stick the trash can up in the top here somewhere. We've got a large piece of artwork that was hanging on the wall that we're gonna try to stuff in that space up here. And hopefully we can get it in the top, and then we'll pretty much be done loading the truck. So that was our last full day down in Celebration, Florida, before our big move back to Tucson, Arizona. There's more videos for our trip to come, so please like and subscribe and share with your friends. So until next time, this is Marky Park, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.